Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about red carpet moments of the week, Kim Kardashian's show-stopping appearance at the Los Angeles premiere of All's Fair. Dressed in a breathtaking Schiaparelli gown, Kim once again reminded the world why she remains one of Hollywood's most influential fashion icons. From her couture choice to the event's glamorous atmosphere, here's everything you need to know about this unforgettable night. The premiere of All's Fair took place at the DGA Theater Complex in Los Angeles and gathered some of the biggest names in entertainment. The upcoming legal drama, created by Ryan Murphy, has already generated massive buzz for its star-studded cast and compelling storyline. Kim Kardashian takes on the role of Allura Grant, a powerful divorce attorney who leaves a male-dominated firm to start an all-female practice. The show is said to blend empowerment, ambition, and drama, and Kim's premiere look perfectly reflected that spirit. Now, let's talk about the dress that stole the show. Kim wore a custom Schiaparelli Couture gown from the brand's Spring 2025 collection. The design was a true work of art, elegant yet daring, structured yet feminine. The gown featured a sheer black tulle overlay that flowed over a nude satin base, creating a delicate contrast between shadow and light. Its mermaid-style silhouette hugged Kim's figure beautifully, cascading down in sculptural folds that captured the light with every step. The details were just as stunning. The halter neckline added a sophisticated edge, while the open back with corset detailing gave the gown a modern, architectural twist. Every seam and stitch felt intentional, as though the dress was designed specifically for Kim. She completed her look with diamond jewelry by Lorraine Schwartz, subtle yet striking, and styled her hair in an elegant updo that framed her face perfectly. Her makeup was kept soft and radiant, allowing the dress to take center stage without distraction. Walking the red carpet alongside Kim was her mother, Kris Jenner, who also turned heads in a vibrant yellow Givenchy ensemble. The pair posed for photos together, embodying confidence, grace, and timeless glamour. It was a powerful family moment that highlighted both women's long-standing influence in the world of entertainment and fashion. The premiere was filled with other Hollywood heavyweights as well: Glenn Close, Sarah Paulson, Naomi Watts, Teyana Taylor, and Niecy Nash-Betts, to name a few. But even in a sea of A-list stars, Kim's Schiaparelli gown became the center of conversation. The blend of couture artistry and confident minimalism made it a perfect red carpet statement. Fashion critics praised the look for its balance between structure and sensuality. Many noted how the dress symbolized Kim's evolution, from reality TV star to respected entrepreneur, and now a serious actress taking bold, creative strides. The choice of Schiaparelli, known for its surrealist and sculptural designs, aligned perfectly with her current image: confident, polished, and unafraid to take risks. This wasn't just another red carpet appearance, it was a moment of transformation. As Kim continues to redefine her career, her fashion choices often serve as visual storytelling, blending strength, elegance, and individuality. The All's Fair premiere look wasn't only about beauty, it was about empowerment, control, and artistic expression. The evening also celebrated Kim's growing collaboration with Ryan Murphy, the mastermind behind several acclaimed TV series. Their partnership marks a new chapter for Kim, blending her business acumen and public persona with a scripted, dramatic role that highlights her versatility. In the end, Kim Kardashian's Schiaparelli gown wasn't just a dress, it was a statement. It represented ambition, reinvention, and the enduring power of fashion as a form of storytelling. Every thread, every curve, every confident pose spoke volumes about where she stands today, at the intersection of glamour and growth. Thank you for watching. What did you think of Kim's Schiaparelli look at the All's Fair premiere? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite celebrities, red carpet events, and fashion highlights from around the world.